Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to create a group in WhatsApp. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to launch the application and then go on the chat section and click right down on that green button with the chat section, and as you can see on the upper side I have two options for new group or new contact. Just click on the first selection and then select the people that you want to add it into that new group. For example, I will go with this side and I will just go on my right side. When I have done with selected people, I can add a group name and then I can add also a group icon from my gallery. I can go for emoji, I can search for my website, and these are also applicational sites which I cannot afford it if I don't want. Right now I can just skip it by clicking right down on the tick side, and the group, as you can see, has been created. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.